Thinking about starting your own publication on Medium in 2026? You might want to hold that thought for just a second, because things aren't as straightforward as they seem. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we wanted to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and customize a Medium publication. However, we have to be completely transparent with you. While trying to access Medium.com to film this walkthrough, we ran into a major roadblock. Instead of the clean, user-friendly homepage, we were greeted with a Cloudflare security block page stating, "Sorry, you have been blocked." According to the security message, certain standard browsing actions can trigger these protective measures to prevent online attacks, leaving users unable to access the site without contacting the owner with a Cloudflare Ray ID. Because we were completely locked out of the platform during our research, we can't show you the live dashboard or guide you through the publication setup process today. Furthermore, we don't have any verified user reviews or external feedback configured in our research database to share the current pros and cons of using Medium's publication tools this year. We want to make sure we only give you 100% accurate first-hand information rather than guessing or making up features. Our honest take: if you are planning to build a publication on Medium, be prepared for potential security hurdles or access issues like the Cloudflare blocks we experienced today. If you've managed to get past the security screens and are currently running a publication, let us know in the comments below how the process was for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest updates, and we'll see you in the next one.